Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to new video historicals. So right now, as you can see, can you guess where am I, where we are? You can see that behind me one old building, and situated is Jagadeshpur BAD's farm, right?
Yeah,
and
right
it's
now
next
today-
to our village.
Yeah, today we have come another place. It's a totally different place. And right now, since 3 months, we didn't come this place.
Yeah.
And after that, we have come here for just for making video.
Video.
And we want to show our viewers how look like this type of building. It's a totally old building.
Totally
I
old
think,
building, and-
since 200 years ago.
Yeah.
Some people they made for
made this-
living. And right now, there is no people.
There's
who will
totally
live here.
empty. This place is totally empty, and
Yeah.
as you can see, the building, the situation about this building. Oh my God! You can see this building. Oh, it's unbelievable. And when we was child, every time we spent surrounded this building as well as into the building, right? And the building over there, there is a one paddy field and morning season, and every time we just play football, we just play cricket, and our area has one game that is our native speakers, our natives area. They're called Goodbody, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
We
so-
spent a lot of time
Yeah.
after coming in this place, and it was our traditional place. They will abuse us for playing
As you can see,
any type of game.
Oh my
and
God.
we was played so many games like cricket, like goodberry, and like football. And right now I'm thinking of one thing, that is before 2 months ago I have played in this field, like this field, and I was playing
Yeah.
football in this pitch. As you can see in this field, and
This
it
field.
was
Oh.
totally incredible.
but maybe I wasn't stay there, right? I stay Dhaka City, right?
You was staying in your home on the time.
Oh,
we played in
okay.
this-
Oh, okay. Because actually they was playing football, football, right?
Yeah,
They was
they
playing
was
football, and some of actually included our area, our village. Some people, not some people. Among them, lots of people.